John Dramani Maham and Ankasa no oba yen fu no ya tumu so Ghana phone team nkasa ebusuya ha Ghana Nsem TV na edi amje so e promise e be stress say video bi say no saka oba den oba like we ya no watch wadwe comment ebusuya yen hwe video no embra
minimo na yatutu fuo mu no enti manfo ni nimu ana asa obia yedin ana musuro se mo ka IP address e be chemo ne ade yatutu fuo mu enrada asa wonso unhu ne baabia wonte ne baabia yatu fuel mu fuel prices akosro yatu fuel any diesel mu but as obia suro so be ka ho asem adentia yatu fuel ni diesel mu but obia suro so be ka ho asem why adena musuro IP address ana chese yewura Maham aban yi de musuro se mo beka na asem musuro se mo beka na asem ana Maham aban no ade ase bibie bekoso bia musuro yetoto water bills mu ma meka yetoto nkane mu ma meka ade asem wa musuro ana ade yatoto fuel mu se wonte ya mebo amane yatoto fuel mu why se wonte ya ene Oscar media meka kire se yatoto fuel mu mo ya ma government ni trima ye wo mo de the things we need to talk about, ye Chinese yatufu but nobody is talking about it. Nanado na time na mo time no na mo mpenasem. Nanado no na time na mo time sa keke anase day. Because yatufu and nobody is talking about it. And the fuel is over 13 Ghana cedi 40 pesos or so. Yatutumu, nobody is talking about it. Senanado appears on Kibete say GPRT you need woman maka. Keke kansensem ni ade. But Mahama brezu di ase obi antumi nka hwe. Fuel asem yatumu woka obi amechew kabi. Yese wan kasa tiri ho ayeyi bone. Mo nka bi otom. Na mo ya ma ban no de saa ye de ye kwhya amrem. Se ya na hya ase nkakra se ya. Na mo nka na wo mutiri mu ye omode mu be hu anse de agura amrem mo nka bi ya totofuo mo nka bi diesel prices ekosoro mo nka bi nya atwumfuo ye mo nka bi na ado na nanimu hare na bibia ne yeka Mahama pen susu ni o ma ekwa achewachew mo nka bi why mo nka bi na papa ne maame no wo mo nya ne ye kakra mo nka bi ni atotum people
me say Ghanaians ya pasem esruasem na so what's the deal since His Excellency John Dramani Maham yato abama no be Ghana man penine no e kamia ye say nema bebre ono me koso o man mu anipa no ntimi nkan ho asem full the month of September yesi mu no first week omutu mu senka month bi an yetumu 2 times first 2 weeks second 2 that is the first calendar the second calendar but under John Dramani Maham no you know what I say yeah to move first calendar second calendar and even Tuesday it's as well to full you never be brave air cost my no ya two lights be almost several times and then say be am dum light almost so yen chair because time to mention I'm posting more videos but it sounds like everyone is quiet, people are not talking. I don't understand what is going on. Or people are like I'm not forced through, like it's kind of concerning though because Charlie, this thing I don't really understand, right? I don't understand because things are still expensive, right? The price of petrol, diesel is going up every single day. The one city is a Sanswa to so. But like still, like I don't understand. Guys, I think that there are things that we need to understand. Maybe someone can explain because I really don't understand whatever is going on. That's the most important thing. I really don't understand. Seriously, because I was talking to even a friend yesterday and I was telling the friend that Charlie, have you the price of fuel and diesel? So a friend of mine was true. But it sounds like you guys are not even talking about it. You guys are not even complaining of increasing the transport fares and everything. And it was like, yeah, you're paying for no, a lot of staffs and all those stuff, Charlie, bro. What is going on? Is there something going on that we don't even know? Are people afraid to talk or something? Because it's kind of concerning though. People are not talking. Or is it because of the goodwill? Like, what is going on? I just want to understand. What is going on, bro? What is going on? Because this thing is something that I've been thinking about and I still can't get it. Still can't get it, bro. Just sad. Ebusuya, saa asɛm a Sam George kan die, me ne no ɛyɛ adwen pa for the first time, me ne Sam George ɛyɛ adwen. Sam George say, we must cleanse charlatans and money doublers from our media airwaves. Yɛka sɛ obi yɛ charlatans a ɔmo twa ntorɔ so ɔmo some special skills wey tim dey bibi aboa wo, ɛne saa money doublers fisika bɛgye sika ne saa nkɔfoɔ no. Yes. You know, saa asɛm wey ho ade Sam George, me ne wo yɛ adwen, wɔ sɛ etimi saa nkɔfoɔ free your media airwaves ne so because ɔmo na ɔmo ma in dem kwala na aba no. Saa fraud ne saa sakawa ne saa we no ahye omotremu yie pa because obi ti be say for 1,000 cedis by ma 50,000 cedis but akona ko wiane ma me se no dey akọ ne adada no all these people ye nema man kola na aba ne hwe saa TV they don't even get anything from those staffs. So for the first time me Sam George agree on this one. It is time I was say cleaning your media airwaves na saa nsɛmhunu we saa money doubling ne saa first cabbage scanner saa yi na metimi aboa mo otumi ni saa na ma we ni nyina no etimi yi saa ye charlatans ne saa man doubles ni nyina no efi media airways ntebusuya we nko adem ne Sam George ya adwen make sure say Sam George aso atia say we dey na ya adwen mom no still DSTV ne dey me ne no nya adwen on make sure say my data ne bo no ebe ko form ebusuya ha ye promise the blogger studios.
Yeah, guys, the NDC has just been exposed again. If you watch throughout social media and even under some of my comments, some of the NDC guys are saying that the salaries of YEA / Zoom Lion workers' salaries have been increased to 1,200. It's a very big lie. It's a very big lie. So these guys, when are they going to stop their lies? Like, you lied your way into power. So do you think that you can rule Ghana with lies? Charlie, these people, I'm just coming from Manasseh Azuri's page, and I have no reason to doubt him because he has been fighting for these Zoom Lion workers for their amount or fees that they pay them to be increased. Okay, so he's just saying right now that sweepers have not been increased. Cabinet is yet to decide on the deal. Disregard the false news. So you see, NDC, you guys are disgraceful.